guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. Today we're going to be doing how much 3D prints I have. If you're wondering if I have a 3D printer, no. If we went to the shop, no. My brother has a 3D printer and he's printing a shark head right now that is enormous, so I'm excited to see what it looks like and how big it is. But yeah, let's get started. So, oh, wait. I forgot to tell you guys something. Before I start, please, I need more subscribers. Please subscribe. Like the video, please. Yeah, so let's get started. So the first one I got is this cat with, like, what is that? Do you know what it is? Hold on. A stick? Guys, what is the cat holding, by the way? But yeah, that's the first one. Very cute. So the cat is my first one. So we're gonna put it. You can't see it. Ah. Okay, so the cat is the first one. Its little head is. The next one is, so this didn't turn out that good. It's like half printed, but like it's a little bowl. And like it was meant to be monkeys around it, but it hasn't, like, it didn't work, this print, but it's still like a bowl where you put things in. I could put my cat in there. Okay, so that's the second one. Now the third one is this little love heart pot. It's here. And I've got my fake nails in there. Like these cute ones. Let me just try to put it on with no glue. Let's see if it'll work. Ah! It's amazing. Yeah. So that's what that is. We're actually moving on to fingernails. Then this one. But yeah, that's a pot. And the next one is this cute little dog. So cute. Little eyes. But that's the next one. Now the other one is this little maze where you could put like a tiny thing in there and then you can like move it about in the maze. I really like that one because like I like how the printer made it. It's so cool. The next one is this Pikachu. I love, like, it's really cool. Pikachu! So that's the next one. And then my big owl. And this is my favourite big one so far. That actually worked. Yeah, that one. And then, a couple days ago, these were printed. This lion that's pink. And then this cute Stitch that is pink. I've been into Stitch for a long time now. But yeah, so I'm going to swap this around. This is what it looks like. All of my prints so far. Have a good day. Bye, guys.